So now I want to talk about how to register for an affiliate marketing program. Um, there's two I'm going to recommend. One called Cash Network is based in the United States. They pay weekly through ACH, PayPal, Payoneer, Bank Transfer, International Wire, um, and they got good affiliate managers who would help you find good campaigns. And what else can I say about it? They pay on time. So I'm going to talk about them. I'm going to talk about Max Bounty. The links to these two companies are going to be below. Now, with Max Bounty, you can always register. I'm going to walk you through the process somehow. But with Cash Network, if we click on, you got to register as an affiliate, not an advertiser. An advertiser is the owner of the campaign. An affiliate is you that wants to run the campaign on the platform. I'll repeat again. An advertiser is the owner of the offer or the campaign. So they're the ones that are paying the money, right? So you want to register as an affiliate. So you are going to get your links and send some traffic to those links through landing pages, ClickFunnels, and whatnot. So, just to mention a few, right? So you're going to register with Cash Network and you get the ball rolling and start making some money. But now there's the catch. With Cash Network, if I click on apply, you could see it's not allowing people to apply because, like you see, they said, we are sorry. Cash Network is a by referral only network and it's not accepting your affiliate at this time. So I have my affiliate link here. I'm just going to click enter. I'm going to throw in my affiliate link below. If you want to sign up, just reach out to me. So you're going to put things like your name, address, put your company name, but this you could just put your name. So if your name is Sam, put Sam, and last name, Lima, So just put your name, last name, put your address. In terms of countries, you can see they accept basically every country. Include every country. See Malawi, see Jamaica, see Fiji Islands. These guys are international, British India Ocean Territory, Brazil, you can just point away, the website is not important because you can see things with the asterisks means they're necessary. Things without asterisks means that they're not necessary. So you're going to feel things like you want to be on a CPA model. I think that's it, CPA. Category, you want to tell them you're into whatever you promoted. So they got offers like good dating. So many people want to go dating sites. You can send them there through your link. They sign up for dating, you get paid. So literally, you can give your link to your friend that wants to sign up to Match.com. You give them your link. They sign up to Match.com, fill up their profile. You get $7 or $5 or $8, depends. It's games. And it's geo-based. So you got to target the right country. So there's some United States offers, UK offers, Canadian offers, Italian offers, Spanish offers. So you could focus on each country and pick what ones they got. So they got things like educational. I think they got jobs. Let's see, is there jobs here? I've seen some jobs campaign. I've seen some jobs campaign, and it's auto industry. So car insurance, car finance. So if they get approved for the car finance, you get like $20. So literally you're sending leads. Like people don't need to purchase anything. If they apply for checking the credit score, that's on the business and finance. If they get approved to check their credit score and they get approved, you get I think $29 thereabout for a free trial of a credit score. Beauty products like weight loss, those also tricky to run. Those kind of campaigns are kind of compliant, non-compliant. So, I don't go into details, but it's things like skincare, anti-aging serum, weight loss pills. I don't really mess with these campaigns, but then there's home. Things like alarm, burglary alarms, um, which other ones? I can't remember most of them, but mostly like things about homes. Then there's your usual things like retail, lifestyle, where there's like surveys. There's a lot of surveys here. So surveys pay like $1 to $3. So the more information they give, the more you make. And secondary one, you could pick. So I would say you should pick, let's say internet activity. Let's go a bit vague, and let's say beauty. And give your comments on kind of products you want to run, and they would get back to you. Give your first name, last name, job title, phone number, email address. You could do Skype. That's the best one. Keep your Skype info there. And here you could go and say individual. If you're based in the US, you're going to need SSN. Other countries, tax ID. Every country you should have the sort of ID you could put here. So that's the whole process for this. And for Max Bounty, it's a bit more straightforward. Max Bounty, I'm going to put my link below. If you currently have an account, click on this. If you do not have an account, you click on advertise or Max Bounty. They made it a bit easier. But you want to click on where it says at the top here, it says affiliate. So you want to click on affiliate. There's advertiser and affiliate at the top here. They're clicking on it, So you want to register as an affiliate. As you can see, promote high converting cost per action. That's a CPA. Cost per action campaigns from hundreds of advertisers seeking your blogging, media buying, social media, and email marketing expertise. So if you have a social media presence, maybe you are an Instagram model, you can register, You have like 2 million followers, you go look for a product in there and you post it to your 10 million followers, and your 10 million followers will register, and imagine how much you're gonna make. That's if your followers are gonna be in the countries that they want. So if you got 10 million followers and they're from Fiji Islands, I don't really think there's a campaign on this network for Fiji Islands. I'm just guessing, just a random thought. So you want to kind of make sure your traffic is like the US, UK, Europe, some other countries around, because they pay more. So you click on become an affiliate. An example, if you have like a Facebook page, if you've registered before, you could put these things in here, but if you haven't registered before, just go next. Now you can get rejected from all these networks, and this is a good catch here. If you sign up, you get like $1,000 performance bonus. So you get some money if you sign up and you start running the campaigns. So you want to go for your names and stuff. I can't go next because obviously I can't fill this up. Security questions are going to be like basic password reminders and whatnot, contact information. There's going to be things like your email address, your Skype contacts, your phone number, email, those kind of stuff. Address, your country. So pretty much every country is registered here. So you go for the country that you're based in. Doesn't matter what country, any African country, any Asian country, Pakistan, India, everybody could register. As far as you're not going to send them fake clicks. Fake clicks will get your account banned. I do not condone or recommend fake clicks. Anyway, for those who heard that. Okay. And another thing, income disclaimer. This requires commitment, work, and effort, which I know 90% of people cannot give. So if you think this is a get rich quick scheme, pause the video and go watch cat videos. Feel me? Anyway, let's keep going. For your address experience, this is the most important part. So I left this for the last part, just for those who left the video and don't want to watch it till the end. Experience, like you gotta demonstrate that you got some sort of experience. I think for Cash Network too, you gotta put it in here. I think you gotta put it in here, or yeah, I think that's where you gotta put some experience in here, somewhere here. So you're gonna say things like, I have 100,000 followers on Facebook, and I know how to use Google Ads, things in this nature. You got to say this if you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, they're going to ask you questions, and if you fail those questions, you get completely blacklisted from the company because you're giving false information. So I'm going to pop in my affiliate link below to get into this and to get into this one. So I'm going to pop my links below. If you need more details on how to sign up, as we all know, the economy is so if you want to work from home and make some money, just what to do. I do offer training, and getting this set up and how to run campaigns. It requires commitment. It's no, some people have made quick success because they put in a lot of effort. So if you find this information useful, or you want me to make another video about something else, just let me know below. I'm going to cover other things like landing pages, how to set up tracking, how to set up tracking, how to use landing page services like ClickFunnels, lead pages, Instapage. I'll cover as much as I could cover. These informations are just the basics, right? So there's more in depth in, like I said, I've been doing this for about a decade, give or take. And stay strong. We're going to fight through this. Stay blessed. My contact info is below the video. Cheers.